Dr. Coletti, Baywest Health Rehab. We have Cyndi today, who, Cyndi also works and has worked for me for over 10 years at our front desk. And she is complaining of that kind of hunchness over the upper shoulders, upper back. And I just told her to get a new job, but she said no, she likes it here too much. So what we're going to do is we're going to do a Manipuflex, and I'm going to, boom, open it up. Are you ready?
Yes.
Are you sure you're ready?
Yes.
Did you sign your waiver yet?
Yes.
Okay. And legs up. Okay, arms up to the moon for a second. I'm going to strap in the pelvis. And all of you out there in YouTube world, or wherever you watch this, if you like cracking, get ready. Because Cyndi, she's got the, she's a crack-a-lackin' fool. Okay, are you locked and loaded?
Yes.
All right, lock those hands underneath, please, hon. And, okay, we've got my trusty warm, nice hot towel, which I'm going to first ask you to just lift your head gently. I know it hurts. Good. Come down. Good. How's that feel? Get that camera in there. Let's see how. Okay. It hurts. It hurts. Very tender. She's very acute now. Okay. And a lot of patients will ask me this with the Manipuflex maneuver. Cyndi, obviously, she's been a patient of mine for quite some time now. Now, if a new patient was real acute, meaning they're in major significant pain, I'd probably ease into this and not do the Manipuflex maneuver on the first visit and do some soft tissue therapies. But with Cyndi, we're going to be a little more aggressive because I'm working the tissue and I also know her body, know her neck. Okay? Okay. And good. We're going to come over and over. And okay, miss. And just relax. Okay, loosey goose, Cyndi. Breathe, let it fall. Good, more. Good. Ah.
Ooh.
Woo. We call that a little bit of Yahtzee. Good. Let it fall now, hon. Let it kind of come. Good. Good. That side down. More. Okay, good. Perfect.
Yes.
Baywest Health Rehab. If you're looking for that release in your upper back, neck region, do not hesitate. Dr. Coletti, Baywest Health Rehab. I am out.